Why do you not check his back? Bye. See you later, dude. Thank you for hanging out for a bit. Thank you for being here for a little bit.
Oh, Matt, hey.
Oh!
Oh my god!
I almost just shredded into you, I'm gonna be honest.
You scared the shit out of me.
Well, you scared the shit out of me. I just see
There's
this
a
guy
helmet
with
right behind all these, by the way.
The one jizzle shirt.
Matt, use your words. You're scaring me that you're not talking.
You came in with a one jizzle shirt, and I'm like, what the fuck?
Yo, there's a truck. Dream shot. What did you just do?
I'm gonna be honest.
There's nothing here. He just incinerated. There's like a black spot. What?
What?
What?